friends, I'm Sai Jisnia. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the displays of the Poco X3 versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G device. These are recently launched from the Redmi brand, which is the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, which has the Snapdragon 750G processor, and the Poco X3 is a 732G. And in this video, I'll be just focusing only on the display aspect, which display is the best one, and let's compare the display properties first. And let me even show you the what are the display settings we do have in both the smartphones, and then I'll try to play the same video in both phones, and I'll try to compare with studio lighting effect and without studio lighting effect as well, by decreasing and increasing the colors. So let's see friends how well the both phones will perform side by side. So this is another most requested video comparing the displays with the Poco X3, comparing the camera, loudspeaker. So I'll try to do one by one. So right now I decided to do the display first. So in case if you want to download this kind of punch hole wallpapers for any other smartphones, not smartphones as well, so any kind of punch hole, make sure to check the links in description for the wallpapers. Even this kind of live wallpaper is also available. Links will be available in the description below. So even for smartphone, links also will be there in the description below friends, so make sure to check that links for more updates on the smartphones. So first let me discuss about the display properties of the both the smartphones, which display has the advantage and what is the main difference and what is the similarities between the both the displays. So first is IPS LCD, HDR10, HDR10, 120Hz, 120Hz, 450 nits, 450 nits brightness. Some people they say the Poco X3 the brightness is slightly higher, but here in the GSM Arena it shows the 450 nits only. And the screen size is of 6.67 inches, 6.67 inches, same size of screen to body ratio, and same kind of resolution, same pixel density, Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So overall friends, the output of this properties is that the both phones they are having the same kind of displays. So same display panel, same properties, everything is same A to Z. So there is nothing change in terms of the display. But let's see friends how well the new panel will perform when you compare with the previous old panel from the Poco X3 device, so which is not too old, which is a recently launched mobile phone as well. But let's see friends how well the both phones will perform side by side. Let me show you the color scheme what I'm using exactly. So right now I'll try to use the saturated mode in both the smartphones. As you can see, same settings I'm trying to use, and then I'll try to play the video in the MX player, and then I'll try to compare with the high brightness and low brightness as well. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, because every day from now I'll be trying to do so many videos on the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, so that everyone can decide whether to buy this phone actually or not. So make sure to check the links friends for the playlist. So as I said, on each smartphone I'll upload more than 100 videos within the first 10 days of getting the mobile phone. So make sure to watch my videos for the first starting days of this usage. So let me try to play the video right now. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones. It's very confusing to differentiate which mobile is what, because both phones are having the same kind of small punch hole camera, same punch hole, everything is same size, same borders, everything is same, unless I show you the backside panel. As you can see, backside is of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. So the top one will be the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G, and the bottom one will be the Poco X3 mobile phone. So let me try to hold these two big phones in one hand. I'm trying to manage to hold in one hand, as you can see here. So right now I'm trying to use in full brightness mode as well at the moment, and both phones they're having the so much of software optimization is going on right now. So both phones they're having the very good saturation mode which is available, so which is a video toolbox option. So if you select this video toolbox option in both phones, they're having the same kind of options. So there is even in terms of the software as well, both phones are seriously close to same each other. So you cannot observe much difference friends in terms of the brightness or in terms of the colors and saturation mode. So everything is same in both phones, so you cannot even find the difference at all. So that's that's my point. I'm trying to search for the very minute difference to see which display is the better colors and better contrast levels. So hardware is same and the software is same, and the display output is should be also same if the software and the hardware is same. So Next is I'll try to use the another mode which is a visual enhancement mode which is present in the game Turbo. I'll try to do that kind of video later on, but overall if you observe this kind of colors, both they look kind of very same to each other. So very same, friends. So I'll try to do the gaming battery draining comparisons as well, camera, loudspeaker. So my upcoming videos tomorrow I'll try to upload the comparison between the loudspeaker test between both of the smartphones. I'll try to compare the loudspeaker. Then I'll try to concentrate on the camera during the weekend time by spending outside with this phone testing this 108 megapixel lens. So overall this with the full brightness mode and with the 50 or 10% brightness mode as well, both phones they perform same brightness levels they're having, so it should not be that much problem at all. 5. So as you can see both are kind of same brightness level, and viewing angles should also be the same in both phones, so there is nothing much difference as well. So there's slight difference between the weight. The weight of the new Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is 215 grams and Poco X3 is 223 grams. And one more thing is that the battery is smaller in the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. In this 5G phone, the battery is very smaller. So every time I'll try to mention the 5G only, not repeating the old name. So it's really long and lengthy name. So this 5G mobile has the 4000 I think 800 mAh of battery, so which is quite less than the 6000 mAh of battery. That makes sense for the more weight on the Poco X3 mobile phone. So you can even sacrifice that more weight for the extra battery backup you are getting in the Poco X3 device. So overall, friends, I am very much happy with both the phones. Both are performing close to equal. And next test, I'll try to compare with other smartphones like the Realme 7 5G as well, which has the IPS LCD panel. I'll try to compare with the other phones IPS LCD panel to test this kind of conditions. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.